Hi, this is Erin with Easeenet, and today we're going to show you how to use Easeenet on an iOS, on your iPhone, or on an iPad. So first things first, we're in the App Store. We've searched for Easeenet, and we're going to download this from the App Store. Once it's downloaded, we go ahead and open it. And the first thing that you'll see is that it's requesting us to enable Easeenet as your device autofill provider. So when I click OK, it's going to pull me to my settings, but you're going to need to pull it down to passwords, and you can see that they're on the top. And the reason is because it's password protected. So it requires my Face ID or some sort of biometric in order to get to these settings where you can click on autofill and you can select Easeenet as your autofill provider. At this point now we return to the app, put in your username and password and click remember me and go ahead and click log on. It's going to prompt you to enable biometric sign-on. This is either Face ID or thumbprint ID. So go ahead and click OK. And now we are into your Easeenet dashboard. If this is the first time here, you're not going to see all of these categories potentially until you start adding usernames and passwords into the categories. So next up, we're going to show you how to do that. Adding new sites to Easeenet is simple and easy. So anytime you land on a sign-on page, which shows a username and password field, if you click into that password field, at the top of your keyboard, you'll see a little key icon and it should say passwords. If you already have credentials saved and you click here, you'll find those credentials there and you can autofill. However, if this is your first time on a website, then still click that key icon and then click create new. And you can select your name, your username, your password, and whatever category you want for the site, and then click save, and it'll save that into your Easeenet dashboard for future use. If this is your first time using Easeenet, we encourage you to sign up from our website. And so essentially you'll go to easeenet.com and you can click on the green start button at the top or the start free trial button in the middle, and you'll put in your information, your first name, last name, your email, choose a password, confirm your password. Keep in mind that the phone number that you put in will enable two-factor authentication, so it needs to be a cell phone that can receive text messages, and then select your subscription, fill in your information, and click register. Once you click register, it's going to send you an email to confirm that it's really you. And once you've done that, then it'll pull you right back and log you in. So once you're logged in on a mobile browser, what you'll see is that you have the ability to manually add vaults. So you can do that right here by adding an online vault or an offline vault. The difference is an online vault is tied to a website. An offline vault is everything else. So a gate code, a security code, a private information, anything that you want to save that isn't tied to a website. You can also upload documents here, and this will show you how to do that. Right now, you have a personal tour. So up at the top left, you'll click upload documents and click browse. Maybe you've already scanned something in as a file. Maybe you want to take a picture of it, or maybe it's already in your photo library, and you can select what photo or document you want and what category you want it to go into, and then just click the green upload button. Once documents are uploaded, you can add notes to them. So for example, in the estate planning, if we go into trust documents, you can see that we've added some notes here. You can share with other trusted users. You can delete, And that's how you manage documents in your Easeenet vault. You can also fill out your legacy contacts. So all the critical life details that people often forget to pass on can easily be added here. And again, we're on an iPhone or an iPad. It works exactly the same. You can toggle through your personal, your financial, your health, your end of life. Fill these out. This will save countless hours for your loved ones if anything happens to you. And then the most important part here is to go into your legacy contacts. And these are the people that you have trusted to handle things if something were to happen to you. And you have the ability not only to invite them here and select who you want to add, but you can also see at a glance who has access, who does not have access. Remove them if you want. You always maintain full control over who has access to your account. So lots of stuff available in your menu here. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Easeenet. You can reach out to us at info@easeenet.com, and we're happy to help. Thank you.